Hi all, this is Vasavi from At Home Tuition. Here we are going to see how we use the similarity criteria in solving few problems. So we know all the criterias which we normally use like SSS, SAS and all that. So let us see how we apply those criteria here to solve these problems. So the first question says, in the figure, QR over QS is equal to QT over PR, and they also say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So this is what we need to prove. So, and the picture is drawn here. You have a triangle and you see that P and S cuts QT and QR, right? And it is parallel to TR. So here, let me take the triangle PQR first, okay? It is given angle Q is equal to angle PRQ, right? So let me write that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, right? So angle 1 we can call it as angle PQR. So that implies angle PQR is congruent to angle PRQ, okay? So let this be equation 1. Also they have given QR over QS. Just see this one, okay? First I wrote this. Now I am writing this. QR over QS is equal to QT over PR, okay? So that is equal to QT over PR. Using equation 1, since these two angles are same, I can also conclude this implies your QP is equal to, because if the base angles are same, the sides are also same, right? So this is equal to PR, right? Yeah. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this equation and I'm going to replace my PR with QP, okay? So replacing PR, QR over QS is now equal to QT over, this PR is equal to QP, so I just write that here, QP. Got it? This is equation 2. I can give the reason because PR is equal to QP. I just replace the PR with QP, okay? Now I got this. I've taken it as equation 2. Now let us show how PQ is equal to, now I'm going to prove this, okay? So I'm going to take in triangle PQS and triangle TQR, okay? You have the two sides proportionate, that is, you have QR over QS is equal to QT over QP. So the two sides are proportionate and you have a common angle, right? Angle PQR, okay, is equal to, is congruent to, because that's a common angle, angle TQR. So I write that here, common angle for both the triangles. Got it? You have to write the reason for everything you write. So now you got these two sides proportionate and one angle same. So what can I conclude? Therefore I can say triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR by SAS, side and the included angle and side, right? Criteria. Got it? Hence it is proved. Did you get that? So simple. All you did was to replace your PR with QP, because we know they have given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So the base angles are same, so you can say those sides are also same. So your QP is equal to PR. I just replaced it, and then we have this replaced equation, proportional equation, and then you have the one angle common, and hence those two triangles are congruent. Okay. Now let us move on to the next problem. Here it says E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. So you first draw the parallelogram ABCD and you have to produce this AD till E, okay, till a point E, and you draw BE. From E you just draw BE intersecting the side CD at F. So I have just drawn the picture already and I've marked all the points which they've given you, and now we need to show that the triangle ABE is congruent to triangle CFB. Okay. So let us take the triangles ABE and CFB, which you need to prove, right? So in triangle ABE, you just need to think what similarity criteria you can use, okay? And triangle CFB, okay? What can we say here? You know that angle C and angle A are equal, right? Angle A is equal to angle C. Can you say why? Because they are opposite angles of a parallelogram, right? See, I repeat one thing. When you state something which is not mentioned in the question, you will have to support your statement with valid reason. So we know that angle A and angle C are equal because they are the opposite angles of a parallelogram. We have angle AEB. So I meant this one, this angle. I just marked that with 3 lines. This angle is congruent to angle this one, right? Can you say why? This I would call EBC, okay? Reason is because they are the alternate interior angles, right? The side AE and BC, okay? So they are parallel. Since it is a parallelogram, these sides are parallel, right? So you have AD and BC as parallel lines, and this EB is a transversal cutting the parallel lines. So the angles so formed, that is AEB and EBC, are alternate interior angles and they are also equal. Now that you got two angles equal to two angles of the other triangle, right? So we have two angles equal. So you can straight away say, therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So what is the criteria we have used? By angle criteria, okay? Two angles, right? So angle criteria. So this is also proved. Now let's move on to the third problem. Here it is interesting. They say if AD and PM are the medians of the triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to PQR, triangle PQR. They've given you the similarity statement, okay? They say angle ABC is similar to angle PQR. You need to prove that the sides of AB over PQ is equal to AD over PM. So we need to take the small triangles, right? These two triangles and compare. So before going on to that, let me write what is given, okay? So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So that means if the two triangles are similar, you have 6 conclusions you can make, okay? That is, you can say that the sides are all proportionate, right? So I can say AB over PQ is equal to AC over PR, and that is equal to BC over QR, right? This is what we derive from saying that the triangles are similar. So I take this as equation 1, and besides that it is also understood that angle A is equal to angle P, right? Then angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Okay, let me take that as equation 2. Now you have this. Let me find out, since see, here you have AD and PM, right? So that should form part of the side of a triangle. So let me take this triangle and this triangle, okay? So that AD and PM becomes one side of it. Okay, now what I do is, in triangle ABD, okay? I'm taking the smaller triangle ABD and triangle PQM, okay? So what all do we know now? You know that angle A is equal to angle P, okay? And we know that the sides are proportionate, right? So you know that AB over PQ, I just take, and that is equal to, now from this I take, you have BC over QR, right? I would write this as, I would write it as AB over PQ equal to, this BC is twice BD, right? So 2 times BD, because you know AD is the median will cut the opposite side into 2 equal halves. So I can write the BC as 2BD and QR as 2QM, okay? I'll write the reason here because BD is half of BC and QM is half of QR, as AD and PM are median, okay? Since they are median, it should cut it into 2 equal halves. So now you just cut these two, so you get BD over QM, okay? So I can now say, therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM SAS criteria, not SSA, it is SAS criteria, okay? So you have proved that these are similar. If they are similar, you know the sides are proportionate. So I can complete it now by writing AB over PQ is equal to BD over QM, and then you have AD over PM. Okay? So now you have proved that your AB over PQ is equal to AD over PM. Okay? Hence it is proved. I repeat this problem once again. Here they have given you that the triangles are similar, right? If they are similar, then you can say that the sides are proportionate and the angles are same. So I just wrote that. Now I took the triangle because they have asked you to prove AD over PM. So to get AD and PM, I have to take the smaller triangle ABD and PQM. There you find the angle A is equal to angle P by equation 2. There itself we have said what all side angles are equal to what. Okay. From the given equation, I just replace this BC over QR with BD over QM because it is half of BC and half of QR, right? Okay, I replace because I say it is half because AD and PM are median, so it will be the midpoint. The D and M would be the midpoint, so that you got the triangles are similar by SAS criteria. Since they are similar, I just wrote the proportionate sides, okay? And there you prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Hope this video was useful to you. See you in the next class. Bye.